Hi then guys, welcome to another episode. So I'm sorry because I haven't making anything lately. Last episode that I made was last week on the giveaway, and remember I need 6,000 subscribers, and then I'm gonna do the giveaway. And actually tomorrow I'm gonna start working on the headlights. I'm gonna go look for them. Obviously, I don't have them yet, but just easy as going to the junkyard, get a pair of headlights, and then start working on them. So probably I'm gonna take my time because I still have a lot of time to work on those headlights. But the reason why I make this episode, I'm here in the car and I don't have any parts yet. Yesterday I ordered some parts, so they're coming for the next episodes. So that's why I haven't uploaded anything. And if it's nothing interesting to do in the cars, I don't want to make just anything just because I have to upload. So yesterday was really interesting. I was really busy. I'm trying to take the car to the shop where I work so I can finish the wrap, because you guys already know it's winter, it's cold. You cannot apply wrap in a car when it's cold, and it's been really cold. I tried to take it to the shop, but every time that I try to take the car to the shop to finish the wrap, it's always some. Yesterday I worked on two cars. The first one is one of my buddies. He has a 2009 Kia Sportage. I changed the power steering pump. Really easy to do on that one. I couldn't make an episode on it just because the situation. I feel like not filming it. So I finished that one. Then I changed some brakes. And this morning, Sunday morning, I just went to see another person. They called me. They have a 2005 Chevy Equinox. So they told me that the car was overheating, and what happens is I think it's a blow head gasket. So I checked the car, I checked the oil, and I knew that it was a head gasket. So I cannot do anything right now for that car. So that's why I've been really busy trying to get this car done, but weather and time is just sometimes difficult. But I tried to make this episode just to ask you guys something that I've been thinking lately. And if you guys remember, I want to get a new car. But I was checking on YouTube. I follow one guy, RP Productions. So RP Productions, he buy a brand new Mustang. And I'm going to put the link of that video on the description so you guys can go and see it. And you guys can tell me, should I get a 2019 Mustang 5.0 or should I get a Camaro SS? And in previous episode I mentioned that a new car is coming to the channel, and I was thinking on getting a Mustang just because the sound, VA, and it was straight pipe that car, it was gonna be amazing. But now that I saw this episode the RP Production makes, where it says that his brand new Mustang is got a ticking in the engine. The engine starts sounding kind of weird, and he mentioned in this episode that when you have a manual Mustang, they have transmission issues. Third and fourth, if you start racing the car and you go really hard on the transmission, third and fourth, they're gone. So if you guys are interested, please let me know if you want to see a Mustang on the channel. But hearing this problem that this guy has, I'm thinking on probably go with the Camaro. I would like to have a Mustang just because the sound and having a VA, it will be amazing for the channel. But that's why I tried to make this episode. He got the Mustang. Like I said, I'm going to put the link of his video in the description so you guys can go and see it. Or you guys know something about these brand new Mustang problems, please let me know. But I'm gonna still doing my research on what happens with these cars. Should I get one or should I go with the Camaro? I really don't know right now. But that's the plan for the future. It's not like I'm gonna go get a car right now. That's why I'm doing my research. I try to get something that is gonna be reliable. And if the Mustangs they're not gonna do it, then I should get some else. So that's the little update, guys. Remember, 6,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away the headlights for the Accord. So this is what's gonna happen for that giveaway. If you have an Accord like mine, 1998 to 2002, please let me know, because the giveaway is gonna be this way. Once the channel reach 6,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do the giveaway. But I know that a lot of people subscribe to the channel related to the Subaru, to the RAV4, to all the cars that I've been working on. But to be specific, I don't want to just give away the headlights to somebody who owns a Subaru. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put on the link. The second link is gonna be my Facebook page. Every episode that I make for YouTube, it goes to my Facebook page. Link is gonna be in the description. You just have to like the Facebook page. That way I'm gonna know that you have a Accord. You're gonna have to like the page and send me a message saying that you have an Accord. So that's the way the giveaway is gonna be done. Because I know a lot of people subscribe for some other cars, some other reasons. But if you have an Accord like mine and you wanna get these headlights, that's the way it's gonna be. You're gonna have to like my page and make a comment saying that you have an Accord like mine. So guys, that being said, thanks for watching. Just a little update. The wrap is gonna get done hopefully next weekend. I'm gonna be working the whole Saturday on the wrap, try to finish it, and then we can move on, because I have a lot of parts coming for the next episodes. I already ordered yesterday some parts for the RAV4, because some people request something that I'm gonna do next in the next few episodes for the RAV4. And tomorrow I'm gonna go and look for the headlights, and new bumper is coming for the Accord. Tomorrow I'm gonna look for the new bumper, and hopefully by next Saturday I can make an upload about the wrap done, and new bumper, new headlights, and have some really cool stuff coming for the car. The car is gonna look brand new and totally different, and I'm super excited about it. But that being said, guys, remember, you want to get those headlights, you have to like my Facebook page and comment if you have an Accord like mine, so I can start working on the giveaway for you guys. So that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.